Hey guys, I'm back with the Nerf gun episode. We're gonna start finishing up the pullbacks here with this gun right here. Very classy. It's for a Wii game, one of the Nerf gun games, and I thought I'd shoot it along with the rest. All right, let's go. Well, you get the idea. That one sort of fell out, but it must be shot again. Now guys, I'm terribly sorry if the volume's too low or not. You're going to have to do that yourselves. I don't know how to edit yet. Alright, that's enough for that one. Now I think we got some people's favorites right here. The Maverick Rev 6. Let's do it. Done with that one. We got a dart tag gun here. Sorry, I don't know the names. Let's fire it anyway. Now my personal favorite of the pistol variety. This monster. Oh man, do I love it. Hear that? Yep, it's revving up. And that would be it for the Nerf pistols today. My name's Jimmy. Subscribe. I'll be moving on the rifles next.